बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग एनी कॉलेज, आज के टाइम में कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट का ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर आज के टाइम बन चुका है कि प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन सही होनी चाहिए, मतलब प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे हैं उस कॉलेज के बारे में. सो टेल अस अबाउट द ब्रांच वाइज प्लेसमेंट्स एंड इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी.
ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पहले इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में बोलता हूँ. तो इंटर्नशिप्स इन जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, तो द प्रोफेसर्स आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. Okay, means if you go to some professors and if you ask them directly that sir, we want to do this kind of internship, means core or non-core or IT industry, they will always help you. Okay, they will send mails to their respective HRs, they will send mails to the professors of IITs and all, so that you can go there and do your research topics on various fields of your own kind. Okay, so first, this professors will be very much helpful. And yes, like I myself has done a vocational kind of a kind of vocational training, at the end of my most probably third semester. Okay, and it was in PS group on Primax I had done. Oh yes, I got it, and my professor, Sir Dipesh Manunda, has helped me a lot in this thing, along with my 5 friends. And like this. And main internship starts from third year. Okay, main internship starts from third year, whereas मैं क्या बोलूं, मतलब different companies will be coming here. Okay, they will be giving you their letters, not letters, they will be giving you a form to fill up. There you have to fill up all of your academics, details and all, मतलब कैसा CGPA रहा, क्या जानते हो क्या नहीं. अब वो जब जाएगा उन लोगों के पास, तो वो धीरे धीरे बुलाना शुरू करेगा कि कौन कौन किस फील्ड में इंटरेस्टेड है, कहाँ पर इंटर्नशिप चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, वो ऐसा इंटर्नशिप मिलेगा. अब हाँ, IT जॉब्स में, मतलब IT फील्ड में, जैसे कि CSE, EC और IT, या फिर कोई भी अगर दूसरा ब्रांच से अगर कोई भी IT फील्ड में इंटर्नशिप करना चाहता है, तो फिर वो तो ओपन है, ऑनलाइन घर बैठ के कर सकते हैं. In this core field, if you want to do internship, it's quite difficult. Rather than in comparison to that IT field, in this core field, getting an internship in these days is quite difficult. But yes, still there are very much opportunities, because as I have said you, there is a brand value of JU. I am not bragging about it, but it is. I myself have seen it. That's why you will get. Means if you are a sincere student and if you keep your eyes and ears open, then you will get some good opportunities in your future. No problem.
Okay.
And now coming to the placements, and as you already know, means from other colleges also, the top 3 branches are mainly ECE, CSE, and IT. Means these 3 branches just rock in this placement. So yes, means last year also I have seen that most probably in CSE, Jadavpur University, average package goes up to like 19 to 20 LPA. Okay, 19 to 20 LPA or some around that. In ECE also 15 to 16, and in IT also 14 to 15 or something like that. So these are the average. And last year, means when we were in the first year only, the highest package was from electrical branch. A guy, means a senior, got into Atlassian, 64 lakh, and he is now in USA. And yes, one senior from CSE also got that same company, but his LPA was something around 51 LPA or something. And apart from this, so these are the IT branches job. Okay, and various companies such as Shopee, Google also comes. Google don't sit here on campus, but Google here come from off campus. Okay, then Microsoft, Facebook. I don't think that Facebook has come yet again. This year Facebook hasn't come. Then Amazon always takes a huge bunch of students from our university. Amazon, then LTI, and all those IT companies, TCS, VCS, तो आता ही है, मतलब वो कोई बात नहीं. These companies come and give huge placements to all the students. Apart from that, Deloitte, PwC, and many other data consultancy companies also come here, and they select students from various different branches. Some companies are there, that will not allow you to sit because you are from a particular branch, but that only happens to about when the 30 to 40% of the companies. The rest of the companies will not see your branch, will not see your CGPA, will just allow you based on your skill sets and all. So that's the thing. And now I'm coming to the core companies, because I am myself from a core company, from core branch. Then yes, all over India, you can see that the placement in the core field is not that up to the mark. Not even in IITs, NITs also. They are giving at least they are giving placements, but in all the colleges, that's not up to the mark. But still, here Jadavpur University also, as like IITs and NITs, core companies come, Bajaj, Hyundai, from mechanical they select, also from our construction and civil, means L&T, I mean, then Gammon and all these things, this like ITD cementation, yes, core companies come. Although their volume are not that much in compared to the CSC and IT, and the LPA that they offer, that is also not that much handsome. But yes, they come, they recruit some many students, and that's it. But most of the thing is that in Jadavpur University student, one thing you will find, many of them don't want to go to the job, means there is a tendency of going to higher studies. So they appear
Yeah.
for GATE, GRE,
Mm.
and all. Like in our branch only this year, one of our senior, I don't remember the name, has cracked GRE and he is now going to US, some for his MS and all. And so they appear for TOEFL, IES, and all. So yes, that's a very much good scenario. Where not all the students are job oriented. They always have मतलब भाग डिवाइड हो जाता है कि किसको कहाँ पर जाना है, किसी को
Mm.
अगर हायर स्टडीज करना है तो हायर स्टडीज के लिए प्रिपरेशन लेते हैं सेकंड ईयर से ही, और किसी को अगर जॉब ओरिएंटेड होना है तो फिर से वो जॉब्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन लेते हैं।